Hello everyone, I am Thamizharasu, your personal business coach. Today we will delve into essential aspect of business strategy, the cost benefit analysis. It's a fantastic tool that can help you make wise decisions and strategize your business operations for optimal productivity and profitability. So sit tight as I guide you through these ins and outs of the cost benefit analysis. Let's get started.
1. Understanding the concept of cost-benefit analysis. The cost-benefit analysis, often abbreviated as CBA, is a process that businesses use to analyze decisions. The goal is to determine if a planned action is financially worthwhile and beneficial to the operations. It involves weighing the potential positive outcomes or benefits against the costs or expenditures related to the said action. 2. The role of cost-benefit analysis in business decision-making. In business decision-making, the cost-benefit analysis plays a key role. It enables a company to predict whether a decision will lead to a profit or a loss. By comparing the expected costs to the expected benefits, a business can evaluate if an investment or project is financially sound, thereby steering clear of unnecessary expenditures. 3. The step-by-step process of conducting a cost-benefit analysis. Conducting a cost-benefit analysis involves a step-by-step process. It starts with identifying potential costs and benefits, quantifying these factors, comparing the results, and finally, making a decision based on this comparison. 4. Identifying the costs, the initial step in a cost-benefit analysis. The first step involves identifying the potential costs. These could range from direct costs such as materials, labor, and overheads, to indirect costs like the opportunity cost of pursuing one project over another. 5. Determining the benefits, the second stage in a cost-benefit analysis. The next step is determining the potential benefits. This could include additional revenues generated from a new product, cost savings from improved operations, or even intangible benefits such as improved customer satisfaction. 6. Comparison of costs vs benefits, the crucial role of evaluation. Once the costs and benefits have been identified and quantified, they are compared. The goal is to determine if the benefits outweigh the costs. If they do, then the decision is considered as viable. 7. Real-world examples of cost-benefit analysis in different industries. Cost-benefit analysis is used across various industries. For example, in the construction industry, it might be used to analyze the viability of a new building project. In the tech industry, it might be applied to determine whether investing in a new software development project is worthwhile. 8. The advantages of applying a cost-benefit analysis in business. There are several advantages of applying a cost-benefit analysis in business. It allows for informed decision-making, it helps identify potential risks and returns, and it provides a framework for comparing different investment options. 9. Potential drawbacks and limitations of cost-benefit analysis. However, there are also potential drawbacks and limitations. These include the difficulty in quantifying certain costs and benefits, the possibility of overestimating benefits or underestimating costs, and the fact that it doesn't consider non-monetary factors. 10. Enhancing decision-making, advanced tips for effective cost-benefit analysis. To make your cost-benefit analysis more effective, ensure to consider all potential costs and benefits, both tangible and intangible. Also, it's crucial to be as accurate as possible in your estimations and to regularly review and update your analysis. Thank you for joining me in this enlightening session about cost-benefit analysis. I hope you now have a deeper understanding of this powerful tool and how it can add value to your business decisions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more insightful business strategy guides.